We remember at the round table. The circle becomes active and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form is expressed as chlorine. This is the substance we bring into order. The 17th particle of the philosopher's stone presents itself as a principle of transformation, ready to be observed and refined through the different perspectives offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of Leo. The throne of Leo opens the 5th position and directs our attention toward the moment when chlorine ceases to remain hidden within a salt and manifests itself as a recognizable presence. From this seat, chlorine reveals that the same substance can remain silently integrated within a structure or become visible when its chemical state changes. Under ordinary environmental conditions, elemental chlorine exists as diatomic molecules, Cl2, forming a yellow-green gas with a pungent odor and a density greater than that of air. When released, it can accumulate in low-lying areas and can be converted into a liquid by cooling or applying pressure. Its color allows its presence to be recognized in a way that many other gases cannot, while its irritating odor provides an early warning before it can be clearly seen. This appearance should not be confused with that of the chloride ion. When chlorine is incorporated into sodium chloride or dissolved as Cl, it no longer retains the color or behavior of molecular chlorine gas. Its manifestation depends upon its chemical state. The same atoms may remain quietly integrated within a crystal lattice or appear as a gaseous molecule of striking presence. When observed from the throne of Leo, chlorine reveals that manifestation means expressing the reality of the state in which it exists. Presence is not something separate from the nature of what appears. Every form possesses its own properties, occupies its own place, and influences its surroundings according to its chemical state. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align upon a single axis of conscious expression. True manifestation does not consist of artificially intensifying one's presence, but of clearly revealing the nature of the state that is being embodied. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of your inner presence and accompanies the subtle calibration of the particle. As you hold your gaze upon it, expression comes into order and the 5th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Chlorine becomes manifest. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Thus, today we carry out this practice. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation inwardly throughout the entire practice. I express my state with clarity. Allow your mind to remain steady, radiant, and fully aware of this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle before you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 complete breaths. Allow the flame to dissolve the emotions associated with the fear of being seen, the need to hide, the desire to exaggerate your presence, and the effort to maintain an image that does not reflect your true state. Emotion comes into order through expression, action, integration into the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am chlorine manifesting its chemical state. Repeat it 3 times, with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating into your body the conscious manifestation of your true state. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.